love. Happy Wednesday. I know it's wacky Wednesday, right? Okay, so something that I normally do around this time of the year as we prep for the holidays is clean out the refrigerator. So the first thing that I do is, of course, open the fridge. What can you do if the fridge is closed, right? Duh. Okay. So we open the fridge and then we'll start taking everything out. So as I take the things out, of course I'm gonna just sit them on the counter. I try to separate them by category, and I always look at the expiration date to see if something is old. That way I can kind of eliminate some things that I have in here that are probably not going to be used just by the date. So I'm gonna take everything out and then we'll check the dates as we go. Alright, so that's August 27th. Sometimes these dates ain't where you can really find them. Some of this stuff, like this doesn't have a date, but I think I bought this around the time that Carter was playing basketball. So I think we're gonna put this in the trash pile just because. Alright, so we'll check the dates. These are fairly new. I just bought those. Alright, so we have vacuumed it out just to get the few crumbs that will come up out. Some of them are stuck, so we're just going to have to clean those with our towel or our rag. And then I'm going to do this side, and then we'll do this side. Okay, so now we have taken everything out. We have vacuumed to get all the crumbs so that when we clean with our towel, with our rag, we won't have crumbs or dust everywhere. It's terrible. Oh, I forgot about this little piece. I always forget about this little piece that it comes out. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the glass out and I'm going to sit that on the counter because I don't want that to get broken, because ain't nobody got time to go buy no glass to replace for the refrigerator, you know. So I'm gonna take that out, and it's usually the messiest part just because it's where the liquids are. So I'm going to clean that, or I'm gonna take that out, and then the shelves also come out. So we're gonna take the shelves out, and then we'll start washing the inside of the refrigerator, and then I move on to the shelves and the drawers. Don't talk about me when you see me do this, but I found an old t-shirt of Cameron's that had a little bleach stain on it. I got a bleach stain? Don't know. But I'm just gonna cut this and use it as a rag because I don't like to use my sponges to clean out the refrigerator because, I mean, the refrigerator is dirty. You know, it's dirty. I like to just throw whatever I'm using in the trash once I'm done with it. And then I have my water on. I am gonna throw this over. So I have this. Here's my rags. I'm gonna just clean up my refrigerator. Man, it's all over the place. I have my hot water. I always use hot water. I am not going to use hot water on the glass. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and let it sit out. I guess I should turn the water off really quick. But it's getting hot, and I want it hot. You
What?
change clothes? Why you change clothes?
Cause I feel like
You feel like it? Really? You did a good job matching. You fly guy? right, love. So that is how I clean my fridge. It is a lot. That's why it only happens only so often, you know. A deep clean is always a good look when you open your fridge, you know what I'm saying? So, thanks for watching, of course. And